What we have available this year to showcase is a number of irrigation systems. We have the drip irrigation system, we have the center pivot, we have the microjet system, and we've got the online irrigation system. Drip irrigation is very ideal for farmers that are doing horticulture crops. We have a mean center pivot, which is meant for the small-scale farmers this time around. It is either electrical or solar driven. Then we have the micro sprinklers, which are basically irrigation that is suitable for fruit trees. We have sand filters and fertigation tanks. We are using the sand filters for filtration of water for people who are using open waters like rivers, streams and dams. And we have fertigation systems, which you can use when you're applying fertilizer on the crop, but using drip irrigation. Then we come to our pump systems. We have different types of submersible pumps. We've got electrical submersible pumps, hybrid pumps which can operate on both AC and DC, and we have pure solar pumps which are running on DC. They range from 0.5 horsepower to 5 horsepower. We're going green, trying to make our stand more suitable. We have booster pumps also displayed at our stand. These are meant for boosting water either for commercial farming or also small-scale farming. We don't want to leave out any farmer, and we're catering for all the farmers around. We've also showcased our mean drip system and our greenhouse. Mechanization is not only using equipment, but mechanization also includes the way you are irrigating, the way you're pumping your water, and also the way you're irrigating your crops. At Saro, we are the main suppliers of the Rotrix sprinklers in Zambia. We are the distributors, and we do the installations as well. So we supply, install and service the Rotrix sprinklers. We have them in different sizes. We also have our moving sprinklers, which are the Rotrix sprinklers. They are able to cater from a field of about 2.5 hectares to 40 hectares. We're encouraging that we should not be seasonal farmers. We should be farmers who will do farming all year round. We are going through the climatic changes, and if we rely on the rains, we'll go hungry. So the Rotrix will give you water. You do your maize. Even when there's a dry spell, you'll be able to have your crops in good position.